This all-new air pressure sensor technology is the absolute first to reach the U.S. market for automobiles and is being brought to you only by Asianwolf Vehicle Security. Asianwolf is the leading manufacturer of state-of-the-art modern technology in the industry. This advanced sensor works by detecting the changes in air pressure in your vehicle, which means that any change in pressure, door, trunk, or window being opened or broken will make the X86 air pressure sensor sense a change in pressure and activate your alarm. This universal air pressure sensor is compatible with any and all car alarm systems on the market today. For more information, please contact us at 1-800-282-1351.